Zion echoes. Blueberry pushing at the boo bodies. Yeah, man. The vibes are the roots when me grow. Jah love light bright, it a glow. Pass the spliff, make the good times flow. The herb and me guide, make me mind no slow. Underneath the sun where the river are run, me meditate deep till the day is done. Me chant a hymn to the Holy One. For Rastafari, him a shine like the sun. In the hills me dwell, away from the fight. In the Babylon shadow, me live in a the light. Me plant me seed in the earth, make it grow tall. The wisdom of Jah, it a conquer them all. Selassie I vision, guide me so clear. The ganja smoke rise like prayer where you hear. Me live for the spirit, no live for the fear. The lion heart strong, make Jah trot sincere. For the vibes are the roots where me grow. Jah love light bright, it a glow. Pass the spliff, make the good times flow. The herb and me guide, make me mind no slow. The strains and me joy, blue dream and me muse. Cali pushing a ya chalice, me life and no rules. The streets them tough, but me spirit no bruise. Jah Jah the protector, me can't lose. Them fight the Rasta man, but me hold me pride. The spirit of the ancestors a stand by me side. One love me preach, make the nation unite. The power of the people, it a shine so bright. Me chant and the rhythm, me soul them a hear. The Babylon crumbling, them time draw near. With me ganja blaze eye, me meditate clear. One earth, one love, Selassie I spear. For the vibes are the roots where me grow. Jah love light bright, it a glow. Pass the spliff, make the good times flow. The herb and me guide, make me mind no slow. In a jam rock you find the rhythm of life. With the beat of the drum and the cut of the knife. Me soul stay firm, evil in a the strife. Me sing for me queen, Jah love as me wife. The fire still burn, I go cool till me done. Me spread Jah blessings like the morning sun. Them can't hold me back with the shackles where them spin. Me free like the breeze, Jah light in a me green. For the Rastafari heart, you no need no crown. Your roots and your culture is your truest sound. Blaze the chalice, see Jah work all around. One love for all, make the good vibes drone. For the vibes are the roots when me grow. Jah love light bright, it a glow. Pass the spliff, make the good times flow. The herb and me guide, make me mind no slow. Zion echoes. Jah bless the land, see the fire arise. Inna the smoke we touch the skies. With the rhythm of life and the ganja sweet. The Rasta man trod on the soulful beat. Smoke to the skies, herb rise high. Feed the healing vibes, me not deny. The world get tough, but just supply. The ganja flames make me mind just fly. Inna the hills, the sun a shine bright. Me carry Jah blessings with all me might. Me build a spliff with me brethren close by. The herb of the teacher will lift me high. The sweet aroma of the earth will grow pure. From the sacred root where them can't ignore. Me chant a psalms while the herb ignite. The power of love, me spirit make right. Me sing for Zion, me pray to Jah. Ganja leaf guide me where life apart. With every puff, me elevate mine. Jah open doors where the wicked can't find. Smoke to the skies, herb rise high. Feed the healing vibes, me not deny. The world get tough, but just supply. The ganja flames make me mind just fly. Me know the strings by the names where them wear. Blueberry OG Kush, make Babylon fear. From the Cali mountain to the Kingston vibe. The ganja culture sell out Jah works, feed the money them fake. Me see the herb as a bridge we connect. Mind and spirit, me soul it protect. Chant it, hype and the rhythm we live. To Jah me give thanks for the herb we give. With Selassie I light, the fire a burn. The ganja fi all, it can done. Smoke to the skies, herb rise high. Feed the healing vibes me not deny. The world get tough, but just supply. The ganja flames make my mind just fly. Inna me yard, the children them sing. Them laugh and play around the roots we bring. A life so sweet, no stress no more. Jah guidance make the lion heart roar. Me hold me queen close, love in the air with every herb bun. Life can't compare. Me look to the moon, the stars them shine. With the rhythm of life, Jah make me define. The smoke rise up, carry prayer so free. Jah hear me chant on the melody. Me trod through the fire, me stand so bold. With Jah inna me heart, the story untold. Smoke to the skies, the ganja flow through. In the light of Jah love, me soul renew. Zion echoes, Zion echoes, Zion echoes, Zion echoes. Breeze from the hills whisper Jah's word. The herb carry messages long deferred. From the roots in a soil to the chalice light. Jah medicine pure brings Zion sight. Ganja is Jah medicine. Feel the pain, it cleanses the soul like Zion rain. From the mountain top to the valley plain. Selassie I blessings in every strain. Through the mist of the morning you watch it grow. The green of the earth make Jah blessing show. With each little leaf a miracle born. Healing and wisdom from each herb torn. Babylon say no, but Jah say yes. The herb a reminder that life is blessed. It ease the mind, it calm the heart. For Jah work it's been sacred from the start. Blueberry, OG, Kush and purple haze. Them strains tell Jah's story on Zion ways. From roots to split, Jah's presence alive. The medicine make Jah's spirit thrive. Ganja is Jah medicine. Feel the pain, it cleanses the soul like Zion rain. From the mountain top to the valley plain. Selassie I blessings in every strain. In the hills of Jamaica me trod each day. Fi feel Jah power in the herb we spray. My brethren them gather, the vibes unite. A blaze in the circle bring Jah insight. Me can't count the times when the herb saved me. From the trials of life, the weight and the envy. The sacred tool, the wicked can ban. Jah hand guide the roots from the very land. Herb inspire chants that Jah embrace. With the smoke rise high, it touch Jah's face. Me share it wide, the world feel healed. Jah wisdom flow in the herb so real. So me chant for ganja, Jah's holy gift. That make the mind expand and the spirit lift. Forever me blaze, forever me pray. Jah medicine guide me every day. Zion echoes. The cities crumble, the towers fall, but Jah love stand above it all. The fire blaze high while the Babylon flee. In a Jah embrace, my spirit set free. Babylon no match for Jah love divine. Herb make the wicked man lose their mind. We trod through the system, it not confine. Freedom vibes are glow, my soul refined. We trod through Kingston, the streets them hot, but Jah guide me steps, no heart nah drop. The politician make promise, but them can't fulfill. Them fear Jah people will not be still. The Ganja blaze bring truth to light. Expose Babylon, them can't hide tonight. With each little herb of me wisdom grow. Jah flame in my heart, forever aglow. Babylon think them can change our voice, but Jah people rise, they make them choice. Feed the roots of love, me chant so bold. In Zion truth written, my spirit unfold. Babylon no match for Jah love divine. Herb make the wicked man lose them mind. Me trod through the system, make not confine. Freedom vibes are glow, my soul refined. The weed and me teach and me meditation pure. Selassie I light, Jah trot secure. The strains them strong, with power and grace. Cali Kush purple haze, make the spirits embrace. Me laugh at Babylon while them run and hide. For Jah warriors stand pon Jah side. With a spliff in my hand and my faith in Jah. Me call out lies and take the scar. Me see the hills rise high above the plain, where Jah people live, free from pain. For Babylon walls can't block Jah sun. The fight already won, the Rasta run. Babylon no match for Jah love divine. Herb make the wicked man lose their mind. Me trod through the system, it not confine. Freedom vibes are glow, my soul refined. Babylon no match for Jah love divine. Herb make the wicked man lose their mind. We trod through the system, it not confine. Freedom vibes are glow, my soul refined. The fire still burn, the herbs still grow. Babylon ashes scatter in Jah flow. In Zion heights, me find Jah grace. No Babylon force can take my place. Yeah, man. The battlefield culture, soldiers rise. The fire ablaze, truth fill the skies. Selassie I strength, the armor true. Jah Guide di Warrior through and through. Jah Guide di Warrior, bless the way. Lion heart trod strong every day. Through the fire, me not betray. Rastafari lead me not delay. The battle get rough, but me firm in the place. With Jah shield strong, me walk with grace. Them fling them arrow, Jah block them fast. With Rastafari vision, the darkness not last. The herb in the palm, keep the spirit light. Meditation guide me pon Zion flight. Them try to trap me soul in Babylon chain, but Selassie I light make the pathway plain. Through the valley of shadow, Jah's voice call clear. The lion within make the warrior not fear. Each drum beat rise like the heartbeat of Jah, a rhythm of freedom that carry me far. Jah Guide di Warrior, bless the way. Lion heart trod strong every day. Through the fire, me not betray. Rastafari lead me not delay. From Jah people, but me stand sure. With the chalice blaze, me eyes wide open. Jah wisdom flow, the truth now are broken, them can't silence me voice or dim Jah light. The words of fire burn through the night. Herb heal the warrior, make my spirit glow. With every little puff, Jah love I show. Jah guide the warrior from birth till the end. In Jah love eternal, me forever depend. For every battle fought, Jah keep me strong. Selassie I wisdom make me heart sing song. Zion echoes, Jah call for me people, rise and stand. Babylon can't hold Rasta man's hand. The mountain high, the drum them beat. Freedom in a Zion, the journey sweet. Rebel spirit rise, Jah love shine through. The fire light bright in all we do. Selassie I guide me, the path is new. Rebel soul standing, Babylon we slew. Me step through the jungle where the herb them grow. Purple haze pon me lips, make the meditation flow. Them label me outlaw, but me can't be tamed. The truth in Jah word, me can't refrain. Each drum beat echo through the hills tonight. We call out Jah people to stand and fight. Babylon crumble, them tower fall low. But Zion rise up, the rebel love show. Me heart beats steady like a lion's roar. The rebel inside find Jah's open door. The herb blaze bright, the meditation pure. Zion we seek, Jah love ensure. Rebel spirit rise, Jah love shine true. The fire light bright in all we do. Selassie I guide me, the path is new. Rebel soul standing, Babylon we slew. Rebel spirit rise, Jah love shine true. The fire light bright in all we do. Selassie I guide me, the path is new. Rebel soul standing, Babylon we slew. The system fight hard, but Jah harder still. Them can't take the herb or the lion's will. With the chalice in hand and the roots so strong, the battlefield echo with Zion's song. Me brethren them chant, the fire blaze high. Rasta now bow till the wicked die. The ganja make the warrior stay awake. Through Jah guidance the darkness break. Rebel spirit carry me through Jah gate. The battle not done, but me spirit not late. The stars are guide, the drum beat call. In a Jah Zion, Rasta love fee all. Zion echoes, yeah man. The drummer call for the Rasta man fight. The lion roar strong through the darkest night. A message from the hills I reach down low. Roots, blood and fire, make Jah love grow. Roots, blood and fire, Jah make me stand. Freedom blaze deep in the Rasta man. From the lion's den to the blessed land. Me nah bow low, be strong like the sand. From the rivers of Zion to the Kingston yard. The earth full of wisdom, the journey not hard. Bloodline strong like the tree me stand. Them can't break Jah work, me hold Jah hand. Me chant for unity, me chant for peace. But Babylon chains make the love decrease. Them take and them plunder, but the roots can't fall. Still I see I guide and still conquer them all. Hear the ancestors cry, them lead the way. For the Rasta people, Jah light no stray. With herb in a me chalice, the fire burn. From the ashes of Babylon, just truth return. Roots, blood and fire, Jah make me stand. Freedom blaze deep in a the Rasta man. From the lion's den to the blessed land, me nah bow low, me strong like the sun. Babylon fight me, earth call it the devil's seed, but me say Ganja is for Jah righteous creed. From the hillside farms where the Rasta tread, me carry Jah blessings, me can't be misled. Me see the wicked plans, them set the trap, fi divide Jah people and take them back. But the lion strong, the spirit stay firm. From the fire of truth, the tables turn. Me chant down Babylon stone by stone. With Jah in me heart, me never alone. The herb and me light, me message pure. Jah work a eternal, feel life secure. Roots, blood and fire, Jah make me stand. Freedom blaze deep in a the Rasta man. From the lion's den to the blessed land, me nah bow low, me strong like the sun. The journey not easy, but Jah love guide. Through the storm and the struggle, me can't hide it. Me chant for the youth, the future so bright. Roots, blood and fire, Jah bring the light. Yeah. Zion echo. The rhythm of Jah make me love true. Under the moonlight, the sky so blue. With me queen by my side and Jah's embrace. Rasta love eternal in this holy space. Rasta love forever, it not fade away. Like the ocean tides that always stay. Through the trials and storms, it forever grow. In the garden of Zion, Rasta love flow. The first time me see her, Jah light a shine. Her spirit so bright, it align with mine. Her voice like the songs of the birds in flight. Guided by Jah wisdom on endless night. Me take her hand and Jah bless the way. My promise fi on her heart every day. Together we build upon Rastafari ground. With the herb blaze high and Zion sound. With Jah at the center, we not stray. Rasta love steady, Jah show the way. The music of the hills and the rivers combine. We sing Selassie, I praise is so divine. Rasta love forever, it not fade away. Like the ocean tides that always stay. Through the trials and storms, it forever grow. In the garden of Zion, Rasta love flow. Under the stars, we share Jah truth. The firelight blaze, renew our youth. She teach me patience, me guide her too. Through Jah guidance, we see life anew. Babylon jealous, but them can't break. The bond Jah forge it, not forsake. Our love deeper than the roots that hold. A treasure eternal, more precious than gold. The wind of Jah spirit whisper our name. In every moment Jah love proclaim. Eternity's journey hand in hand. We walk Jah path, it righteous and grand. Forever Rasta, forever we strong. I love a melody in Jah's sweet song. In Zion fields we plant and reap. Rasta love eternal, wide and deep. first light break, Jah call me near. Rise up, my warrior, the path is clear. The struggles ahead, but me not feel weak. With Selassie I wisdom, the truth me seek. Jah work never done, the fire must blaze. Through the trials and pain, me sing Jah praise. With the herb in me palm and the lion's will, Jah work continue, it never stands still. Me trod through the streets where Babylon reign. The people a cry out, them heart full of pain. Me see the wicked spread them lies so cold, but Jah truth stronger than diamond or gold. Each morning me wake, Jah give me strength to fight the oppression at any length. Me brethren and me sister rise and chant. With Jah light beside us, we not give Babylon a chance. The mountain a call, the spirit arise. Jah bless me steps, me eyes pon the prize. Each drum beat a echo Jah's holy plan. To free the people, the mission began. Jah work never done, the fire must blaze. Through the trials and pain, me sing Jah praise. With the herb in me palm and the lion's will, Jah work continue, it never stands still. Me watch the herb grow, the roots run deep. The message of Jah in the leaves we keep. With each split burn, the truth unfold. The vision of Zion forever bold. From the fields of Jamaica to the city grind, Jah people rise, the wicked confined. The fire inside, it blazes so tall. The work for righteousness inspire us all. The stars light the way when the journey get dark. Jah words make the righteous leave them mark. No chains can hold Jah army tight. Feel every battle, Jah grant us light. So me chant Jah name as the work go on. From the morning rise to the break of dawn, the mission clear till the final drum. Jah work never done, the victory come. Zion echoes, aye, Rasta man so high. Come on. Life sweet in the yard, herb grow tall. Rasta rise high when the struggles call. Pineapple, mango, vibes we all. Me drink me ital tea, me na ball. Underneath the ackee tree, vibes a flow. Me play a little rhythm while the ganja glow. The children them laugh, the elders smile. Jah make this life sweet, even for a while. Me watch the sunrise, I bless the way. Each morning start fresh, a brand new day. Me pick a ripe papaya, fi share with me kin. Life a reward, Jah children within. The rhythm of life in a the wind me feel. The roots them strong, the fruits reveal. With each vibration me dance to Jah tone. Me yard a the place, Jah call me home. Life sweet in the yard, herb grow tall. Rasta rise high when the struggles call. Pineapple, mango, vibes we all. Me drink me ital tea, me na ball. The rhythm in me chest, the drum beat loud. Life full of love, no room for the proud. A spliff light up, we celebrate Jah day. With brethren and sister who not drift away. The ital stew bubbling pan fire low. From Zion recipe, Jah make it grow. The roots of me life in the hills so green. Me carry Jah light, me spirit stay keen. Hear the laughter echo through me place. Jah love shine bright in every face. No riches me need, just the silent seed. The sweet taste of freedom, me highest creed. Life sweet in the yard, herb grow tall. Rasta rise high when the struggles call. Pineapple, mango, vibes for all. Me drink me ital tea, me na ball. Life sweet in the yard, herb grow tall. Rasta rise high when the struggles call. Pineapple, mango, vibes for all. Me drink me ital tea, me na ball. So when the stars light up the deep blue sky, me thank Jah Jah for life, me can't deny. Me yard is me castle, me roots them deep. The blessings of Zion, me soul I keep. A city in the middle lifetime. I me crazy where you are from the brown. Cinnamon, they only from the section. If you don't drop then you act to get by. From the moon when it pass with the sun, we can make you sure you miss it on one. Yeah, you'd far, so like the Davis in the Singapore, where you're looking for the race above the slope. Feeling them people drinking slow. Yeah, yeah. Got some jaws with the loose for throw. Yeah, yeah. Think them people drinking slow. Yeah, yeah. Got some jaws with the loose for throw. Yeah, yeah. Like good, it's a pass for the place. The station in room with the 8th. Ski the scene, few wants to a case. You can load in it up, just serve for pass day. Turn seas, the people raising pretty less. Even rice, caution, washing meats into a substance. The legionnaires and shining lips. I ain't pick the fire with the pudding, no it's less. Send them people back in slow. Yeah, yeah. Brought some jaws with the hooves for flow. Yeah, yeah. Think them people back in slow. Yeah, yeah. Brought some jaws with the hooves for flow. Yeah, yeah. pose, ay, ay, ay. Great just and different singer. Sting and is what we round. With it feel like Musa. Zion pose, ay, ay, ay. Robe your feelings through Lucia. Cause what they sing and stand mouth. Watch it 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 sing. love and prayer. We that love the jars and isn't fire now. The winter comes storm now, but now I'm all free. La la et amore, saving the streets. Did I know let them fly? Sun built so thin in this uphill by. Deliveries are fees. Did I know let them buy? Sun built so thin in this uphill by. Deliveries are fees. I got no buying high.